In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a user on Whatnot. If someone is making your shopping or selling experience uncomfortable, blocking is a quick way to protect your feed, your chats, and your live shows. I'll walk you through the exact flow so you can do it confidently the first time. Start by opening Whatnot in your browser or the mobile app and make sure you're signed in. You'll land on the homepage, which highlights live shows, upcoming streams, and featured sellers. From here, locate the seller you want to block. You can scroll through the homepage sections at your own pace until you see their show or profile card. Take a moment to confirm it's the correct account by glancing at the username and avatar so you don't block the wrong person. Once you've found them, click into that seller's page or live show. This brings you to their content where you can see what they're streaming and any active listings. Inside the live stream view, look for the seller's username. It's usually displayed at the top of the screen or clearly associated with the host. Click on the username to open the profile panel or menu connected to that account. In the profile options that appear, select Block. This doesn't immediately finalize anything, it opens a confirmation screen. Before you proceed, take a moment to read the conditions presented. This explanation outlines what blocking does on Whatnot, such as limiting the seller's ability to interact with you and affecting visibility in live streams or messages. The confirmation screen is there to help you understand the impact, so there are no surprises later. After you've reviewed the details and you're sure you want to continue, click Block to confirm. You should see a brief notification or visual change indicating that the block is in place. From this point forward, the account you blocked won't be able to engage with you, and your experience should feel more comfortable and focused. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. Always double check the profile before you confirm, especially if multiple accounts have similar names. If you're in a fast-moving live show, pausing for a second to read the confirmation helps you avoid accidental blocks. And remember, blocking is about maintaining a safe, pleasant environment for yourself. Use it whenever you need to. That's it. Simple and effective. You've just learned how to block a user on Whatnot, from opening the platform to confirming the block with confidence. Thanks for watching, and take care of your experience out there.